Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. Let's go. Hub-Centric means the center hole in the middle of the spacer is the exact fit for the vehicle hub. Almost all OEM wheels are Hub-Centric, and this can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is that contact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. So, you will eventually need spacers with Hub-Centric to ensure safety. Bonus wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. The multi-stage Hub-Centric design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. The wheels are well balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration. In addition, the processors of the bonus wheel spacers reaches 0.02 mm. Precise Hub-Centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity and effectively ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!